That'll do. I done fucked on this bitch and that was rude. Finna go run me up a bag or two. Okay.
One day, what is up to my squad? I did say y'all was gonna see me in the next video, bro. These flies are gonna be fucked up. Like, I'm not fucking playing with y'all, bro. But I thought my food was gonna come during the video, but since today I'm making a mukbang. But bro, I'm about to fight these. Dang, bro. Don't play over my food. But yeah, I think we're about to move it to the house. Like, bro, like, I don't know, but we had these little, I don't know what these things are. We got like little weeds growing down. One day I'm gonna get out here and just chop them down, but the flies and bees be just chilling on these little weeds and shit, and they're like, God give me strength for not these. But yeah, I'll be back. Next video, I'm gonna be in the house. Okay, y'all see I'm in the house, but let me get this. I'm about to show y'all what I got. I got me some Donatos, so I got chicken. Damn, my mama receipts still fail. And I got the shit. Hold up. I'm trying to get a thumbnail real quick. And I got the serious meat. People probably don't even know about this. Let me see. Thumbnail! Oh yeah, serious meat. Oh shit, hold up. Oh, look at my serious meat. Now y'all can see. Got the wings. But my serious meat is, it got sausage, ham, pepperoni, and little bacon thingies on them. Okay. But yeah, let's get into this video. I was gonna edit while I make this video, but nope. Wish I would've got me some pop. But how y'all been? Y'all miss me? Cause I haven't been on here in a minute. Like, seriously. Like, I don't know. But I wanna do some videos, but I don't got videos to do them with. I'm a loner. I be at home by myself. If I'm not at home, I'm at work. That's all I do. And I gotta give y'all a little update on me. Your girl is driving now. I'm driving. And your girl got a whip. Hey, I be driving, yeah. And I bought it with my own money, like saving up. That shit just pissed me off. Bought it with my own money. My own money. Saving up. I'm really getting up there. But I need to try this serious meat. It bangs. And y'all need to try this chicken. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care what nobody say. Donato's has the best pizza. Donato's the best pizza. And then after Donato's, it goes Domino's. After Domino's, Planks. After Planks, Doghouse Pizza. But if we're just gonna keep the pizza places, it's definitely gonna go Donato's, Domino's. Am I tripping? Domino's, Donato's, Domino's, Little Caesars, Pizza Hut. The Pizza Hut's wings is alright. I want to try, you know the wings do bang? Little Caesars. I gotta show y'all how to clean the bone. This is how you clean the bottom. Normally nothing on there. None at all. But it's gonna be a little short, little mukbang. I want to start doing videos with people, but I means I have to be more like a people person. I'm a people person. I just don't take too much people's shit. Like, I can't do it. I can't do people for a long time. I just can't. I don't know. There's just something about them. It's just something about me. Like, me and people do not. Like, I probably can hang out with you for 24 hours, and that's it. If you spend the night next to them, I have an attitude like, oh, home. Or I don't know. But this picture do bang. This picture do bang. But I'm gonna start doing driving with peas, cause I'm funny when I drive. I'm serious though. But you gonna see me dance to the music and shit. But I be serious sometimes, like I don't got time to lose my life. My mom told me when I drive, think about her. So either I be like this, or I be like still in my hand on that wheel sometimes. But yeah, I need to start doing videos more, but I really want, like, I don't know, but more videos. Yeah, cause I need to do some cooking with peas. Like, I be really whipping it. I remember that one video, people try to say mine. What did I make? I don't remember. What did I make? I could have sworn I made two things. Tacos, no, steak tacos, and was it steak? No, I think I made a video, then I ended up deleting it. I don't know. But more videos is going. I said going. What the hell? More videos is coming. I want to do rate my outfit. I'm going to wait till like 2021, 2022-ish to make a shoe collection because I am getting my shoes out. I'm getting them up. Oh, can't wait. But this pizza really bangs. This food really bangs. I want to start doing some pranks, but I'm scared. I don't know. I'm scared. But this video is over.
I done fucked on this bitch and that was rude. Finna go run me up a bag or two.